Guys, welcome back to working on your About Me board projects. Today we are going to be going over how to do your layout template. You're going to need one piece of paper that's 8.5 by 11 inches, and we're going to start out by making our marks along the side. You're going to measure out 2 inches, 5.5 inches, and 8 inches. You're going to also do it along the top. We are going to measure at 3 inches and again at 5.5 inches. Repeat this step on your other side for 2 inches, 5.5, and 8, and again at the bottom for 3 and 5.5. You're going to connect your two middle lines to create one line across your paper as seen. Then you're going to be using a cup to make your circle in the middle. So you're going to draw and trace out your circle at the bottom of the cup, and then you're going to erase the line that's in the middle. You're then going to connect your lines on either side to create your diagonals, but do not make your line going through the circle. You're going to do it on either side, and then you're going to do the top to bottom ones as well. And they should crisscross each other, making what looks to be an X behind the circle. Once you've got all your lines, you are then complete.